You only need 6 months to become rich. The ultimate business and financial blueprint. The 6-month transformation. Most people think wealth takes decades to build. That's a lie. In reality, with the right strategy, intense focus, and relentless execution, you can completely change your financial situation in just 6 months. Not overnight, not by luck, but by following a proven, structured approach that maximizes income, scales opportunity, and builds momentum. This is not about get-rich-quick schemes. This is about real business, real financial discipline, and real transformation. If you are willing to commit fully for 6 months, you can create wealth that lasts a lifetime. Month 1. Mindset shift in business foundation. Eliminate limiting beliefs. Stop thinking wealth is for others. Understand that money follows value. Shift your focus from job security to income independence. Write down your financial goals with clear numbers and deadlines. 2. Choose a high-income skill or business model. The fastest path to wealth is solving valuable problems. Pick one: high-ticket sales, digital marketing, e-commerce, real estate, SaaS, or content monetization. Learn everything you can about your chosen field for 7 days. 3. Find a mentor or blueprint. Speed matters. Someone else has already figured out what works. Invest in a course, coaching, or mastermind that has real results. 4. Create a minimum viable product (MVP). Avoid perfectionism, launch fast. Offer a beta version of your product service and start testing. Month 2, monetization and rapid scaling. 1. Sell before you build. Pre-sell your offer before perfecting it. Use social proof and testimonials. If people won't buy the idea, they won't buy the product. 2. Master high-ticket sales. The fastest way to increase income is to sell high-ticket products or services. Refine your pitch and objection handling skills. 3. Leverage social media and paid ads. Organic reach is slow. Paid traffic accelerates results. Invest in learning Facebook ads, Google ads, or YouTube ads. 4. Automation and delegation. Remove yourself from operations early. Hire a virtual assistant or use automation tools to scale faster. Month 3. Systemization and expansion. 1. Create scalable systems, document workflows, and create SOPs, standard operating procedures. Build a sales funnel that converts leads into paying customers. 2. Leverage other people's money, OPM. Use business credit, investor funding, or joint ventures to scale faster. 3. Maximize profits through optimization. Track data relentlessly. Cut underperforming strategies and double down on winners. Month 4. Multiple streams of income. 1. Reinvest profits into assets. Start buying cash-flowing assets like real estate, stocks, or dividend-paying businesses. 2. Expand offerings or upsell existing customers. Increase average order value with premium versions or continuity programs. 3. Build a personal brand. Establish yourself as an authority in your field through content creation. Month 5. Wealth acceleration and strategies. 1. Automate lead generation. Use email marketing, retargeting ads, and webinars to bring in customers passively. 2. Build a team and scale operations. Replace yourself with skilled operators. 3. Start a second scalable revenue stream. Diversify into another high-income business or investment. Month 6. Financial freedom and long-term sustainability. 1. Achieve financial independence. Set up investments that cover your living expenses. 2. Optimize for tax efficiency. Use legal strategies to minimize taxes and protect wealth. 3. Create a long-term wealth plan. Continue scaling, investing, and leveraging compounding. Final words: take action today. The next 6 months can either change your life or be just another half year wasted. The choice is yours. Commit now, execute relentlessly, and watch your financial situation transform faster than you ever imagined.